So wait, welcome back. Shelly-Ann
Yes, sir.
Fraser-Pryce is at it again, you know.
Yes,
Yeah, man.
indeed.
She's just one of them good human there. You know what I mean? We appreciate you, Shelly.
She's one of those great humans,
Yeah, man.
you
Exceptional
know,
person.
exceptional because she excels on so many different fronts of life that most humans excel in one of those areas, and she's
Yeah.
doing it in so many, you
Yeah.
know.
All right. So here's what's up with Shelly now. 5 student athletes receive scholarships from Fraser-Pryce Pocket Rocket Foundation. Bravo. All right. Looking out for the ones that come next. All right. Always can commend that. Round of applause for you, Shelly. All right, so 5 student athletes received checks ranging from 50,000 to 60,000 on the Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce Pocket Rocket Foundation scholarship program that rewards beneficiaries based on outstanding academic performances while competing and representing schools in any sporting discipline. So it's not only for runners; it can be a footballer, netballer, any kind of sport, tennis, chess, anything, as long as you are doing well in your academics. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Which is good. You know what I mean? That a
very good.
stipulation. Yeah, it rewards um performance, and I like that. It gives the kids something to strive for. All right. So who are the awardees? All right. Tafari Wright of Tafada Wright of St. Jago High School, Kimisha
Big
Beckford
up,
of
Diego.
yeah, Kimisha Beckford of Manchester High School, Anicia Taylor of Homewood Technical High School, Olivia Peterkin of St. Andrew High School, and Malachi King of
Malachi.
Woolmer's Boys School. The other thing that I like about that, it's spread out across the nation.
Yeah, man, definitely. Definitely.
You know what I mean? And congratulations to these awardees. You guys
Although
deserve it.
technically the people in the north would be upset because I would say this is our south coast.
But remember, there are stipulations. There
Right.
are stipulations. You have to perform, and these kids performed, and they earned their scholarships and their grants. You know what I mean? It should inspire others to try to do the same and put themselves and their schools in the spotlight. What say
Right.
you? Okay.
I mean it's just another, like I say, that's another big achievement
Yeah,
from
man. We
Shelly.
definitely.
She
Yeah.
just seems to be excelling everywhere. She do she's already achieved athletically, business wise. I don't know if a lot of people know, but Shelly is a very astute businesswoman
Yes.
with multiple businesses, and now she's a philanthropist,
Yeah.
giving out charity, setting up, doing it properly too, having an
Yeah.
organization that's going to generate this, hopefully if it's properly managed, generate this type of scholarships to be given out even until long after she's gone. This is outstanding work, and it should be noted that these 5 recipients now bring to the total number 55 student athletes who have won scholarships from this foundation. So it's not just five
Yeah.
kids. This is a big deal, and
It's an ongoing enterprise. You know what I
right,
mean?
exactly.
Yeah,
And
man.
just goes to speak that Shelly is quietly becoming, one of Jamaica's greatest daughters.
Mhm.
Shelly might need to go run for prime minister. It's so much.
Well, you never know. We like her that
You never
much.
know.
All right. So the presentation ceremony took place at Woolmer's High School for Girls on Marsco Road. Well, no, that's our alma mater in Kingston, where each athlete also received grocery baskets from Grace Kennedy, book vouchers, each valued at $10,000 from Sangster's bookstore, courtesy of Digicel, that also provided each student athlete with $1,500 phone credit. They also received high-low supermarket vouchers, each valued at $10,000, also courtesy of Digicel. All right, so maximum respect and shout out to Woolmer's Girls School for hosting the event, Grace Kennedy for providing the book vouchers, Sangster's bookstore, Digicel, Hilo Supermarket. Much respect, you know what I mean, for what you're doing for these students. Shout out to Digicel for putting their money on the line and engaging these other people as well. You know what I mean? Like you said, it brings to the number to 55, 29 girls, 26 boys from 22 high schools across 11 different sports. All right. And they have benefited from academic scholarships from the foundation since its inception in 2013. All right. So, great stuff from Shelly. Kudos. Keep
Big.
it up. Yeah, man. It's a big deal. When you can
Yeah.
impact young lives like that and help them towards their goals, it's a big deal. And we appreciate you, Shelly. I have to
Yeah.
repeat that. You know what I
So
mean?
she's not only just inspiring them through her achievements, she's also now helping them financially and
All right.
encouraging people to push for excellence, you know?
Yeah, man.
Fantastic.
All
Not
right.
just
So the last,
to Jamaicans, you know?
yeah. So the last piece of thing I'm gonna mention is that the Pocket Rocket Foundation recently held a successful fundraiser event at the Miramar Cultural Center in Florida. So it looked like Miramar.
Miramar
Kingston is
is
no longer the capital of Jamaica.
Miramar
is
coming
far.
like Germany for reggae, and they just want to take up the track and field for themselves, you know? They really need to go up a board museum, man.
Miramar is
A
like,
board
yeah, I'll
and
have some of
museum,
that. I'll have some of that.
You know?
All right, big up the Miramar Cultural Center. We'll beat
Boy,
to the
Miramar going hard, boy.
bad. We'll beat to the bad the other day, but big up for
But
yourself. All right, so yeah, guys, remember, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.